Dear customer, thank you for your support. This is the English interface. This is screw number E. Please check the machine operation effect. This is the first screw machine. The screw tightening machine can complete the tightening of a large number of screws in a very short time, greatly improving production efficiency. The screw tightening machine effectively reduces the labor load of manual operation, freeing workers from long-term high-intensity work, which not only reduces physical fatigue but also improves production efficiency. This is the second screw machine. When the machine is missing a screw, an alarm sound will occur. The screw tightening machine adopts an advanced torque control system to ensure that each screw can be tightened to the preset standard to avoid problems such as over-tightening or loosening. The screw tightening machine can ensure the stable and precise tightening process of the product structure and significantly reduce the quality problems caused by improper screw tightening. This is the second specification screw. Please check the screw feeding effect. The screw tightening machine runs continuously and stably, can maintain efficient operation for a long time, and reduces the risk of production interruption and rework. The screw tightening machine has a friendly human-machine interface, and debugging and parameter setting are simple and easy to learn. New employees can get started quickly without the need for tedious programming. If you are interested in our screw tightening machine, I hope you can like, follow and subscribe. Our contact information open www.jhims.com and find the contact information. This is the third type of screw. Please check the screw tightening machine working video. The automated screw tightening machine greatly shortens each assembly cycle and increases the speed of the entire production line. Thank you for your viewing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, my dear customer.